Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about this Craftsman hood light. It is, looks like model number CMCL090. Alright, so as you can see here, I got a Craftsman 4.0 amp hour battery on here. But this here is what you call a hood light. You can use it for more than that, but that's what it's for. But I used it for a while, just setting it down like this, and you can light up a room. You could probably hang it from these hooks from somewhere. If you have somewhere to hang it, this could probably hang off of a rafter or something. You can use it for other things, but let's just see how it works. So you can store it like this. It folds up. You can set it up like that if you want, or you just lay it down. Put it in a drawer, hide it in a corner, something like that. But when you're ready to use it for your hood, if you're working underneath the hood of your car in the engine bay, you just open it all the way up like this. You flip these little hooks around. They just spin right around like this. And you hook that onto the hood of your car. It expands. Both sides of these expand. Hit the wall over there, but you can do that, and it's got I'll just put it like that. Got one button on it, and it's got two modes. It's got full, high, and low. That's it for it. I don't know the exact output on it, but you're gonna see it on the hood of the car here in just a second. All right, you just pop it open like this, flatten it out, flip around these little things that clip onto your hood of your car, and then carefully catch it out like so, and it hooks right there onto your hood of your car, and boom, you got light. You got that. So the two modes, and you can see everything now. Now you can see in your car, and it just grips the sides of your hood, and then you can see the whole bay inside. There's not too much to see in this one, but you can see everything in there. And then when you're done, you can just unclips from the sides, and you can turn it off and fold it right back up. All right, and that is the hood light from Craftsman. Pretty neat little light, especially if you work on cars a lot. Hope you guys like my video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.